I was saying I want to start like all the kids, like 1s, 2s, even some of the 3s, and just do them through the whole primer, and just get their minds in that mode of learning, and take the high schoolers way back.
Yes, I've just got to be stopping you right there because I've got something very exciting happening right now. You know what that is? You get the older ones to teach the little ones. Aha! So now you get your 16, 15, take them your side, alongside you, and say, now listen, these little guys don't know their multiplication. Okay? The 10-year-olds or whatever. They haven't got it. So let's do this. Here's the let's watch the thing together. The gamma maths you see, blah, blah, blah. Let's watch the lesson. Get an understanding from Steve. Now you alongside, co-learner. Not you being teacher. Okay? You co-learner. So you come alongside and say, right, now we've got to get this right because we have to now go and teach the little ones this. So now you're taking you're taking the older ones with you, you're getting them prepared, and they go and teach. Teach them to teach the little ones because that's where the best learning is happening, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
So now they're not concerned about themselves that they're doing grade 4, 5, whatever level stuff because they're actually teaching the grade 4, 5, and you're getting them ready to teach. So you're actually training teachers.
Yes.
And if they're not confident, they go, oh, but I don't even know it myself. You're going to neither do I. I'm also a bit rusty on this. Let's watch the lesson. That's exciting. That's exciting. Now you're doing bringing them all together as a family. The older children teaching the younger children.
Yeah. Because if they don't have that basics, they cannot do the fractions. And then they are extremely frustrated with fractions.
Exactly.
And they believe maths is very difficult, which it's not if you have the proper grounding.
No, it's not.
And it's then easier for them.
They're scared of it.
They are.
So now if you've got a 16-year-old teaching the little ones and the 16-year-old can't do it themselves, you're not going to move that 16-year-old on from teaching the little ones until you see the 16-year-old himself getting it.
Right.
Correct.
Right.
So that's just going to naturally move on from that. They're not going to be afraid anymore. They've got your help to help you go teach the lesson. So you're not going to teach the little ones maths anymore. The older ones are going to teach the little ones maths. So maybe you don't need the school teacher. Because maybe you've got the teachers right there in your children's home.
Oh, that's fantastic. Because they're missing that whole. I mean, I took all of them and tried to do like a multiplication challenge over like 3 months, and even out of like all of the high school primary kids, there were maybe 5 or 6 that could actually do multiplication in their head. Everyone else was drawing lines or trying to count on their fingers or. So that.
Well, the thing is as well, Steve teaches a lot of the tricks like the 9 times table, 9, 18, 27, and it's those tricks with the 2 and the 7 and the 1, and he teaches all that stuff. He makes it fun, and he helps you just to get it. So it's not like, okay, 9, 18, okay, 18, 19, 21, 27. It's automatic because he's given you the formula or the code or the trick or the whatever it is and made it fun. And so now it's like in you and you understand it's 9 and another 9 and another 9 and this is what it looks like, and you have that fun with the older ones and then go and share it with the little ones, with the ones that is appropriate.